strong.
The Japanese government is looking to give their retired helicopters to beef up the capability of the Philippine Army, PA, its commander Romeo Brawner Jr. said on Wednesday. Brawner said this pledge was made during the trilateral meeting with the ground forces of the Philippines, Japan, and the United States held in December 2022. The Army chief, however, did not further provide any specifics. We were asked what we needed to beef up the capability of the PA. One of my thrusts ever since I took over as CGPA, Commanding General of the Philippine Army, is the development and strengthening of our aviation capability, Brawner said in a press conference in Fort Bonifacio in Taguig City. So I told General Yoshida, the PA needs aircraft, particularly helicopters. He said that they will look into the possibility of giving the PA a grant of helicopters, he added. Brawner was referring to General Yoshihide Yoshida, the Chief of Staff of Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. However, the Army chief noted that, while the helicopters are retired, they would still be usable and reliable. We understand that these are the helicopters that will be retired from service in the Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces, but these are still usable aircraft. In fact, they are very much reliable aircraft, he said.